Okay, I want to remind you today is Wednesday and we have a test on Friday. So really try and make sure that you know and understand how to do these problems. Be looking for Mrs. Steffen to try and trick you on one of these problems and make a mistake. If you're doing the problem yourself and you know how to do them, you will catch my mistake. If you catch my mistake, you can write it on your paper and I'll give you some extra credit points. It means that you're ready for the test. Okay, write down negative 3x plus 2 minus 5y equals 16. When you have that written down, stop the recording, do the problem yourself, and then turn it back on to check. Whoops. Okay, so the first mistake Mrs. Steffen made is this has to be an x. Can't have two different variables there. Okay, we're going to combine our like terms. Negative 8x. Okay, plus 2 is still there, equals 16. What do you always get rid of first? Hope you said addition and subtraction. That means this. So subtract 2 here, subtract 2 here. 16 take away 2 is 14. This cancels out. Negative 8x. This means multiplication. This means negative 8 times x. How do you undo multiplication? You divide. Okay, on this side, this is 1, and 1 times x is x. 8 can go into 14 one time. With 6 left out of 8, it's going to be a negative. And 6/8 is the same as 3/4, so you might have written the answer as x equals negative 1.75. Okay, copy this down. 2/8x plus 5. So you should have this problem copied down. 2/8x plus 5 minus 5/8 x equals 12. Shut the video off and try to do the problem on your own, then check it. You want to be ready for the test on Friday. I'm going to combine my like terms. Negative 5/8 x plus a positive 2/8 x is going to give me negative 3/8 x. Haven't done anything with the 5, so I have to bring it down. Okay, which thing do I get rid of first? This or this? Did you say the 5? Always addition and subtraction has to be undone first. 12, take away 5. This cancels. Okay, what is the reciprocal of 3/8? What's the reciprocal? 8/3. So I'm going to multiply. The parentheses show that I'm multiplying. I'm going to multiply this fraction times this fraction. And I also have to do it on this side. Here I go. Anytime you multiply a fraction times its reciprocal, you get 1. And what is 1 times x? X. Okay, over here I'm going to sneak a 1 under here. Top times top. 7 times 8. I hope you said 56. Bottom times bottom. I hope you said 3. On this one, I'm going to use the calculator because I don't know what 56 is divided by 3, and I have to simplify. Remember that this line right here, this means divide. Okay, 56 divided by 3 is 18 2/3. 18 2/3. The calculator says 0.66666, but I know that that's 2/3, so I write the fraction 2/3. 18 2/3. Copy this down. 10x minus 2x plus 4 equals 20. Okay, pause the video and do it yourself. If you do 10x and 2x, you get 12x. 12x, you still have the 4, equals 20. Subtract 4, subtract 4. 16 equals 12x. This means multiply. I have to get rid of that by dividing. 16 divided by 12 is 1 1/3. One more problem. Number 4. 6 minus 2/7 x plus x equal 4. Copy the problem down. When you have it copied, shut the video off and try it on your own. Here we go. Like terms. Now you have to remember that this x, when it doesn't have a number in front of it, the number is 1. So I'm really adding 1x to negative 2/7 x. So I'm thinking in my head of this as 7/7 x, because 7/7 is 1, and 7/7 and a negative 2/7 is going to give me 5/7 x. So I have 7 x. Nothing happened to the 6, so I still have a positive 6 equals 4. Always get rid of addition and subtraction first. Over here, 4, take away 6 is negative 2. Over here, 5/7 x, because this is 0. What's the reciprocal of 5/7? 7/5. Anytime you multiply a fraction times its reciprocal, what do you get? Did you say 1? What's 1 times x? X. I'm going to put a 1 under here. Top times top. Negative 2 times 7 is negative 14. Bottom times bottom. 1 times 5 is 5. Now I have to divide this. This means, this line up here means divide. Negative 14 divided by 5. And I got negative 2.8. Done.